The Atlantic Ocean is more than just a vast expanse of water, it is a living bridge connecting three continents, South America, Africa, and Europe. Along its endless shores, the ocean's waves touch lands that are as diverse as they are wild, each with its own unique story to tell. These continents are home to some of the planet's most extraordinary wild places. In South America, the rainforests pulse with life, their emerald canopies sheltering countless species. Across the Atlantic, Africa's golden savannas stretch to the horizon, alive with the drama of predator and prey. And in Europe, ancient woodlands whisper tales of survival and adaptation, their roots entwined with history. Within these habitats, life flourishes in astonishing forms. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every creature has carved out a niche, perfectly adapted to its environment. The forests, savannas, and woodlands are alive with movement, color, and sound, a symphony of survival. These landscapes are not isolated, they are woven together by powerful forces, climate, ocean currents, and the eternal cycles of nature. Rainfall, wind, and sunlight shape the land while rivers and streams connect distant habitats, allowing life to flow and flourish across continents. Every day, animals face a relentless series of challenges. They must find food in a world where resources are often scarce, avoid the ever-present threat of predators, and protect their young from danger. The struggle for survival is constant, and only the most resourceful and resilient endure. Among these survivors are some of the world's most iconic creatures. The jaguar, silent and powerful, stalks the shadows of the South American rainforest. The lion, king of the African savanna, leads its pride across the grasslands. And in the quiet European woodlands, the clever fox navigates a world of hidden dangers. But the wild heart of Atlantica is not just about the famous and the fierce. It is also home to vibrant frogs that flash their colors on the rainforest floor. In these wild places, species interact in complex and surprising ways. Birds, mammals, and insects share the same spaces, sometimes competing, sometimes cooperating, always shaping the world around them. The balance of life here is delicate, maintained by countless interactions every day. As we journey through Atlantica, we'll witness moments of high drama, hunts and chases, daring escapes, and fierce battles for territory. But we'll also see tenderness, mothers nurturing their young, animals forming bonds, and surprising displays of intelligence and problem-solving that reveal the depth of life's complexity. This is a celebration of the wild heart of our planet, a world both precious and fragile. As the sun rises over the forests, savannas, and woodlands of Atlantica, we invite you to join us on a journey of discovery. Let's begin our exploration of this untamed realm, where every moment is a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Along South America's Atlantic coast lies the world's largest rainforest, a realm of towering trees and constant life. High above, sloths move slowly, blending into the canopy to avoid predators. On the forest floor, armadillos forage, protected by their bony shells. Jaguars, the jungle's elusive hunters, prowl silently through the shadows. Brilliant poison dart frogs warn predators with their vivid colors, while monkeys leap through the branches, spreading seeds and shaping the forest. Birds like hummingbirds and macaws add color and song to the dense green world. But this vibrant ecosystem is shrinking. Logging and agriculture threaten countless species. Protecting these rainforests is crucial for the health of our planet. Across the Atlantic, Africa's savannas stretch wide, sunlit grasslands shaped by rain and drought. These vast open plains, shimmering beneath the relentless sun, are among the most iconic landscapes on Earth. Here, the horizon seems endless, and the golden grasses sway in the warm breeze, painting a picture of wild beauty and resilience. The savanna is a land of contrasts, where the seasons bring both abundance and hardship, and every living thing must adapt to survive. Each year, herds of wildebeest and gazelles embark on epic migrations, traveling hundreds of miles in search of fresh grass and water. Their journey is a breathtaking spectacle, a moving river of life that sustains not only themselves but countless other species. As they graze and move, they shape the land, fertilizing the soil and keeping the grasslands healthy. This migration is one of nature's greatest wonders, a testament to the power of instinct and the interconnectedness of all life here. Among the tall grasses, lions reign supreme. Living in close-knit prides, these powerful predators rely on teamwork and strategy to hunt the large herbivores that roam the plains. Their roars echo across the savanna, a reminder of their dominance. But even for the king of beasts, life here is never easy. Each hunt is a test of strength, patience and cooperation, and every meal is hard won. Sharing the savanna are other formidable hunters. Cheetahs, the fastest animals on land, rely on speed and agility to chase down their prey in short, explosive bursts. Leopards, masters of stealth, use the cover of tall grass and trees to ambush unsuspecting animals. Hyenas, often misunderstood, are both skilled hunters and opportunistic scavengers, using intelligence and teamwork to survive. Each predator has carved out its own niche, contributing to the delicate balance between hunter and hunted. The savanna is alive with activity at every level. Baboons and monkeys forage for fruits, seeds, and insects, their calls echoing through the acacia trees. Above, eagles and vultures soar on rising thermals, their keen eyes scanning the ground for any sign of opportunity, whether it's a fresh kill or the remains left behind by larger predators. These creatures, both great and small, are vital threads in the fabric of savanna life. Even the smallest inhabitants play crucial roles. Termites, often overlooked, build towering mounds that aerate the soil and provide shelter for countless other species. Giraffes, with their long necks, browse the treetops, spreading seeds and shaping the landscape as they move. From the tiniest insect to the tallest mammal, every creature contributes to the intricate web of life that makes the savanna so unique and resilient. Yet, this ancient balance is under threat. Expanding farms and growing settlements push ever deeper into the wild grasslands, fragmenting habitats and bringing people and wildlife into conflict. Fences and roads carve up the landscape, making it harder for animals to migrate and find food. As the human footprint grows, the challenges facing the savanna and its inhabitants become ever more urgent. In response, dedicated conservationists are working tirelessly to protect these precious lands. Wildlife rangers patrol the savanna, safeguarding animals from poachers and monitoring their movements. Sanctuaries provide safe havens for endangered species, while community projects help local people find ways to live alongside wildlife. These efforts are vital, offering hope for a future where both people and nature can thrive together. The struggle for survival on the savanna is as dramatic as it is essential. Every day, life and death play out in a delicate dance, reminding us of the beauty, power, and fragility of this extraordinary ecosystem. Northward, Europe's temperate woodlands are home to secretive animals shaped by the seasons. The red fox, adaptable and cunning, thrives from deep forests to city edges. Red and roe deer move quietly through the trees, while stags clash antlers in autumn's ancient rituals. Badgers emerge at night, foraging with powerful claws, and owls hunt silently in the darkness. Squirrels, hedgehogs, and mice are vital links in the woodland food web, but centuries of development have fragmented these forests, creating barriers. Protecting Europe's woodlands means preserving a world of hidden wonders. Across Atlantica, mountain ranges rise, harsh, beautiful, and full of life. These ancient peaks, shaped by millennia of wind, water, and ice, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. From the snow-capped summits of Europe to the dramatic ridges of the Andes and the mysterious highlands of West Africa, mountains are more than just geological wonders. They are the beating heart of the continent's wild places. Brown bears and wolves roam Europe's peaks, while golden eagles soar above. These animals are not just inhabitants, they are guardians, each playing a vital role in the delicate balance of mountain ecosystems. The bear's foraging shapes the land, the wolf's presence keeps prey populations healthy, and the eagle's keen eyes scan for life below, connecting sky and earth in a dance as old as the mountains themselves. In the Andes and Alps, ibex and condors have evolved to survive the extremes. The nimble ibex scale shear cliffs with ease, their hooves gripping rock where few others dare to tread. Above, the mighty Andean condor rides the thermals, its wings casting shadows over valleys carved by glaciers. These creatures are living testaments to nature's ingenuity, thriving where conditions are harshest and reminding us of the resilience found in wild places. But even these remote places face threats: climate change, habitat loss, and human encroachment. Glaciers that once fed rivers are shrinking, forests are cleared for development, and roads carved through once pristine wilderness. The balance that has existed for centuries is now at risk, and the survival of mountain wildlife hangs in the balance. The challenges are immense, but not insurmountable, if we act together. The fate of jaguars, lions, and bears is intertwined. Their survival depends on healthy environments. These iconic predators are symbols of wildness, but they are also indicators of ecosystem health. When their habitats are protected and thriving, so too are countless other species, plants, insects, birds, and even people who rely on the resources mountains provide.